They say that the Nigeria army, they say many community for inside Abia state, they don't take over those communities with the talk right now. They everywhere. Man, don't come outside for this video while I go play you. Go expose wetin they go on for Abia state. He say this thing is not all about Biafra. He say this one a political matter, na be this thing, and they can't give him reasons, which I want you to watch in this video. However, welcome back to Balabaji. Just watch the video and share this video as many as you can.
So let me just update you when you hear about what happened in Abia, just like Abia precisely. That Abia is in in Obingwa local government. Abia is in Obingwa local government of Abia state. Then that Obingwa is very, very far. That Okezi Bazo area, Obingwa, is Okezi Bazo local government. Very, very far. Now, you can see how Nigerian government, Nigerian army have extended it to so many local governments. The Obingwa is very, very far. Abia is far from Abia, right? Just that it have any boundary with the Obo Hill, which is Abia South. Right? Abia South. But now, do you know where they have occupied? Usizoma local government, Abia North local government, Abia South local government, Ugunabo local government, even extending to Ishalangwa North and Ishalangwa South, because of what happened in Abia, in Obingwa. The army now took over Usizoma, took over Abia North. Local government too. We are talking about local government. Do you know how many constituencies they have occupied? No, just I want people to look into this, and you tell me it's not Nigerian government that set it up. They sent their Boko Haram to go, and they even know the people they posted there. You know, how can something that happened in Abia, Obingwa local government, be a problem in Ugunabo local government, very, very far? Something that happened in Obingwa is now a problem in Usisioma local government. Usisioma, just imagine. Okay, the people in Abia North is soft. Why can't you work in Obingwa? Let us manage Obingwa alone and see and focus on Obingwa. Then you extend it to Abia North, Abia South, Ugunabo, Usisioma, Isialangwa North, Isialangwa South. Why can't you move it to the whole of Abia Central? You have joined Abia Central. You even moved to Abia South. You are now occupying Abia South and Abia Central. In something that happened in only Abia South, one local government in Abia South, which is Obingwa. You extend it to Abia North, which is Abia South. You extend it to Abia South, which is Abia South. You extend it to Ugunabo, which is Abia South. We are still, I think you will even extend it to Ukwa East and Ukwa West. It's almost there, safe. Ukwa East and Ukwa West. That is the whole of Abia South. Ukwa East and West. Now, you have come into Usisioma, which is Abia Central. You are in Isialangwa North and Isialangwa South, which is Abia Central. So why can't you move it to Umuahia? Ikuano, Umuahia North and South. Ikuano, at least we know you have taken over Abia North and Abia Central as a whole. Is that how you do in the North? Is that how Nigeria Army do in the North? Something that happened in Abia, very, very far. Today, you now set the whole of Abia province under siege. What kind of rubbish is that? Two senatorial zones is involved now. Two senatorial zones is involved in something that happened in a local government, not even in an area in a local government. Obingwa. People in Abia North is suffering. People in Abia South is suffering. People in far Ugunabo is suffering. People that are in Ukwa East and West is suffering it. People that are in Oshoma is suffering. People that are in Isialangwa North and South is suffering it. And that is the one Nigeria for you. Just imagine, that is the one Nigeria for you. Everybody is now but we are hearing terrorist attack. Though this one is not terrorist attack. This one is a political attack to set up Abia State on fire, because they would have done this in Enugu. They know the pressure is on Enugu, so they want to. They shifted it to the peaceful place. This is people that have recruited terrorists into their army and police. The same terrorists that killed their army. So what is impossible for them to do? But what we are asking now, how come it has become a capital punishment to everybody around Dongwa land? Is that how you do in the north? Is that how you do in other states in the north? When there is any problem there, casualty of the Nigerian security, are you telling us you take over the whole state? Because when you take Abia North and you take Abia South and Abia Central, which one is remaining? Is it not Abia North? Where is Abia North? Umunnochi local government, Isukwato local government, Bende local government, Arochukwu local government. And what is another one there? Another one is how many are there? So that is the only one. You have taken over Abia Central, after all. You see, because you have taken over something that happened in Abia. Those talking like, one Nigeria. We want to tell you this is how they took over. In our Okwama in Delta. You see what happened? You see how many places they extended, the area that extended their anger. Then you are now telling me that it is not Nigerian government plan, that the army was on the checking point without anybody passing. Nobody was passing for the army to say that the army provoked them or that the army tortured people. Nobody. There was a total lockdown. So nobody was going. Nobody was moving. Army did not offend anybody. Nobody offended army until the political talk came in order to set Abia State ablaze, because they have read the statement of Oti. Immediately they read the statement, they expected him to be angry with IPOB, remembering the Heroes Day, the Biafra Heroes Day, right? Remembrance. They now saw the press release of Oti, the governor of Abia State. They said, no, we will not allow this state to relax like that. If not, other states will follow up. So they now decided to go very, very far to the area of Okezi Bazo. That is the place of Okezi Bazo. That place is the place of Okezi Bazo. So that they will say that is OT people or IPOB. They just said it. They are playing two ways to say it's OT people that came to Okezi Bazo area to shoot. You know, all these things are set up because Dobika Abia is Okezi Bazo place. That place. So that's his place. That is his place. Do you understand? Just because Nnamdi Kanu nyere anyị phone, nyere anyị microphone, you know, some idiots thought that freedom fighting ebe a na-aṅụ ọṅụ. Because you always say you relax na chirokwu gị bụkọta na table na-ede ihe na comment or you na-ede post na Facebook, you know your freedom fighting. People are in different positions to fight this very battle. From stage to stage, one I can never rub pancake or what is it called, on my face. Because the wing I am playing is very, very difficult and very hard wing. Right? So you come here, instead of you to listen to what we are saying, you start saying another thing. You are a fool. ESN are also in the bushes. So many people are in so many places. People are in prison. People are in the hospitals. People are in so many places where we are treating them. You don't know where people force in. All we are fighting. People are in different offices in the world, confronting them with IPOB petition. So many people are confronting this very battle in different areas. People are using finance. People are looking for what they will use their money to do in the struggle. People are doing many, many things. What you come here to look is environment in a broadcast. A very useless idiot. Because we allow this land to be like this. If we want to set here on fire, it will not take us 2 seconds. We just give an order. Everywhere in Morocco complete. I know many Hanezus. I Jomania Gombo. Army is here now. They are looking for us. We did not attack army. It is the government that planned it. If we want to say, okay, we want to confront, if we confront them, they will leave us and go inside the market and burn down the markets. That is the issue. They will go inside the market, burn down the market, destroy everything. So we know what we are doing. We save our land. Then we became the sacrificial lamb. We are in the detention. We are angry when they go and kill our people. We suffer for our people. We are in ESN will live in the bush. Rain will fall on them. Sun will beat them. So many people. This is things. There are people that have cut their legs. You didn't go and look their leg. There are people that don't see now. They block their eyes. Are you telling me you don't have eye now? Why didn't you go and ask those people? You don't go and ask those people. Are you telling me, Chai, one of your hand have been cut in this struggle? You don't go and ask them. You are here. Don't tell me you are in uncompleted building. A mad idiot. You have phone. Can you broadcast even from your parlor? Mad people. People are paying price you cannot pay. You are here stupidly coming here to come and disgrace yourself. Do you know who I am? I am from Biafra land. This is where I am since how many years? I broadcast. I go from state to state. I expose government. I don't care. All I know is that if anything happens to me, my pictures and my video will surface. Your own will never surface on earth. And you see die. A shameful death. A useless death. A cowardice death. People without history. People, you eat food that people discover. You don't discover any. You are, hey, Madam, Madam Nyamacha, hey, you were Oba, Nyamanka. These are sufferings of men. Men ate the wrong one. Men also found themselves in different places to make you have good comfort. You don't look on the environment where men got themselves. Men fought wild animals in your communities and chased them away. Today, you claim that place is your village. You eat food that people die before they discover it. You eat leaves that people die before they discover it. Stupid idiot who have nothing to offer. As we move, we expose the government. What we are saying here is that Nigerian army have occupied the whole of Abia area as because of something that happened in Abia. Abia in Obingwa. But the army have occupied Osisoma, occupied Abândøned North, occupied Abia South, occupied Ugunabo, occupied the Isalangwa North, occupied the Isalangwa South, occupied Okwa East, occupied Okwa West. Because of what happened in Abia. Is that how they do in Kogi? Is that how they do in Benue? Is that how they do in Plateau? Is that how they do in Kaduna? Is that how they do in Katsina? Is that how they do in, what is it called? Borunu? Is that how they do in all the Nasarawa? Is that how they do in Zamfara? Is that how they do in those places? Why? Why? Do you understand? Do you understand? So what we are saying is that we are exposing the government in their plan against the innocent people. We must continue to deal with them in truth and in honesty. We have no gun. We have not started confronting army. We have no business with the army. What we demand for is Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra referendum. When we start confronting the army, they will not even have taking point. They will not have barracks. They will not have all these things. How can the army have barracks, police have barracks in our communities, and they are there telling us that IPOB have a gun, IPOB is terrorist. So we have gone, and you are there in checking point, toasting women. We have gone, we confront army, and you are peacefully moving. Occupying our land. Is that how to use gun? You know what is happening. You know what is happening. The Nigerian security cannot be trusted. A security that recruit terrorists into their security, both custom everywhere, wherever they are. Do you understand? So there is nothing, a news that will come from the Nigerian defense you take serious. People that have 85% of terrorists in their army. The terrorists have killed the original army and took over the army. So how do you trust the people? There are different groups of army in Biafra land. army, different department with different leaders, different commanders. There are ones that guide Fulani herdsmen. There are ones that they use on special duties. There are ones that are the same, the original army. So which one is exactly will you pick? Or as the people who do something? There are individuals that have military ID cards that operate from the barracks. There are residential permits to Fulanis that are living in barracks, both 14th Brigade and A2 Division. So how do you know the people that attack the army? There are different things that happens here. And that is why IPOB launched ESN and sent them in the bush. Every time you hear Nigerian government report ESN on activities that happen in communities and cities, without reporting the videos of ESN that always circulate on media where they confront Fulani herdsmen and the cows. So they dodge away from this, but they will keep on reporting the crimes of their criminals and the target IPOB or ESN. But IPOB ESN highest command always publish the video of ESN in action in the bushes to tell the world the duty post of ESN, not in communities, but you cannot hear it from Vanguard, Punch, Sahara Reporter, BBC. But anytime the criminal they recruited do something in the communities, they will say it's IPOB ESN, but they saw the official duties of ESN in the bushes and forests, which ESN and IPOB always boast about and take responsibilities of those actions and wait for anybody that will come. But Nigeria does not respond because they know that ESN are on their legitimate duties. Even if we are not fighting for freedom, we have the right to launch security outfit to secure our land when the government have compromised over terrorist group, which the government said that they are invaders. And they also told us it is better we give our land or our blood. So that is to say the government have compromised to terrorists to take over the citizens, and we have no other options to take a positive measure of launching a security outfit, not an army. We cannot launch an army in Nigerian territory. We will have army under Biafra Republic. So how can you have your military bases, everything here in Biafra land, in our communities, and you tell us that IPOB do this, IPOB. If before we confront you in checking point, we must make sure we uproot your barracks. So how can we leave your barrack and if we are armed, we'll now be confronting you and checking point? Are we foolish? When we confront you in checking point, you will now deploy a battalion from the barrack. So it is better we uproot the barrack if we are in that very level. But we are not reached to that. So these very black males are always childish because we can never go back. Black men cannot stop us. All we do is legit and lawful, both local and international. Thank you, our people. This is what I brought to you here as we continue to push. Thank you. Some people, if you come to look position, you come to look face, then you tell us how the face of Mwawo used to be. You tell us how the face of Madebo used to be in battlefield. Show us how the face of Onwategu used to be. We are not here to show beauty. We are not here to show environment. We are here to show our dedication to free our people. The same way we eat good foods that was suffered to discover by men and women. The same way we want our children to rejoice in this very land, being freed people. That is what we need, and that is what we are fighting for. It doesn't matter where we get ourselves. If we get ourselves in the dustbin, we do it. We, IPOB in Biafra land, have had our meeting around dustbin. We have hired motor and do our meeting in a transport motor. Why the motor carry us and go around? There are patterns, there are places we have gotten ourselves. Me, myself, I have crossed bridges, go to communities and preach Biafra. I sleep places for 3 days. I make sure I set up units. I have been in town union meetings to preach Biafra. I've been in market, I've been in junction, I've been in roundabout. I have been in a very dangerous areas where everybody refused to stand with me. They all dodged. And I go into the middle and preach Biafra before their confidence now came and they joined me. So these are risks. And anytime you expect to see me in a very better place while I am in Biafra land, then you are dreaming. So those other ones are just grace that you saw me there. And that is why we are relentless. It doesn't matter where we get ourselves. We must preach the gospel. we must continue to push in truth and in honesty. Everybody is a condemned criminal as far as Nigeria is concerned. There is no awaiting trial as a Nigerian citizen. Every Nigerian citizen are condemned criminal. Fulani can come out from the bush and shoot your vehicle, you and your children. The army can just shoot you and you die. Police can shoot you, accidental discharge. Nobody will be taken to court. That is to say you are a condemned criminal. Fulani herdsmen can come into your community and kill you. Nobody will be tried. That is to say you are a condemned criminal. You can be killed at any time. Custom can seize your goods and leave it to damage. They will make sure you become poor before promising you to release your goods. So many things, even if you are bringing you are a condemned criminal. That is the finalization of any Nigerian citizen. There is no living being here. Just that your death have not come. Everybody is dead already. We are condemned. That's why Fulani can kill you and go free. That is why anybody can kill you. Police can kill you. Governor can invite army to come and kill people in their state and go free because everybody is condemned. That is why people run away to other countries and see if they can have life because every Nigerian citizen is a condemned criminal. Everybody is condemned. Both the politicians, everybody is involved. Everybody is condemned. Both the president, everybody is condemned. There is no living being here, just that your death time have not come. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Umuchineke. Thank you. Thank you, Umuchineke. We will continue to push. I remain the fearless IPOB evangelist, Madam Chungmachuku. Thank you from me from here. It is good afternoon. Thank you.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, when I don't hear them, we talked this thing yesterday. Say this thing where is really happen for inside this place. No get anything to do with IPOB. If you dey claim, may you know what you dey claim because IPOB get nothing to do with this thing. Most of now, now we, them no be we. Be very very careful of what you dey claim because Abia state they don't see say small light when one enter Abia state for one Igbo state when one grow at least more that learn from them. They don't bring politics enter for inside the matter. They find how they want to kick this man come out. May they put APC put for inside that place. Be very very careful guys. Share this video as they hold to